Everyone, how are you all? Hope you are all safe. Today we are going to study Sanskrit, chapter number 6, Bhavtu Bharatam. Open your book and turn out to page number 21. Bhavtu Bharatam, that means May India become. This is a beautiful song praising Mother India has been given. Bharatam Bharatam Bhavtu Bharatam. That means Mother India, India, India my country. Sakti Sambruttam, Yukti Sambruttam. Sakti Sambruttam, that means full of energy. That means for protecting herself and others. Yukti Sambruttam, that means full of skills. That means for attaining self progress. Sakti Yukti Sambruttam Bhavtu Bharatam. That means full of energy and skills. May become the India always stay on the road on process is expressed here. India, my country, may you become full of energy, that means to protect yourself and others, that means Sakti Bhutam. May you become full of skills, that means to attain self progress. In this way, may India, my country, be full of energy and skills. Shastradharakam, Shastradharakam, Shastra Shastradharakam, Bhavatu Bharatam. Shastradharakam, that means possessing arms and ammunitions. Arms, that means here weapons. And ammunitions, that means जो गोला बारूद होते हैं उसे कहते हैं ammunition. Shastradharakam, that means possessor of science, that means scientist. And Shastra Shastradharakam, that means powerful in the way possession of arms, ammunitions and science. May India, my country, become the possessor of the latest arms, that means weapon, ammunitions, that means gola or barud, and the power of science. In this way, may India, my country, become powerful with arms, ammunitions and the science. Riti Sanskritam, Niti Sanskritam. Riti Niti Sanskritam Bhavatu Bharatam. Riti Sanskritam, that means one with cultured lifestyle. And Niti Sanskritam, that means cultured in ethics. May India, my country, become one with the cultured lifestyle, ethics and discipline. Ethics, that means manner, and discipline, that means order. May it be full of proper methods and ethics both. हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि हमारा जो भारत है वो बहुत ही कल्चर्ड है, मतलब कि उसमें रहने वाले हर एक व्यक्ति है, हर एक धर्म का कोई भी इंसान है तो उसका कोई ना कोई एक कल्चर है वो, और वो उसी के हिसाब से ही हमेशा बिहेव करता है. तो हमारी जो इंडिया है वो क्या कहलाती है? कल्चर्ड लाइफस्टाइल वाली इंडिया कहलाती है. ठीक है. कर्म नैष्ठिकम धर्म नैष्ठिकम, कर्म धर्म नैष्ठिकम भवतु भारतम. Karma Naishtakam, that means faithful to duty. India has given the doctrine of Karma Yoga to the world through the Bhagavad Gita. And Dharma Naishtakam, that means faithful in religion. May India, my country, be faithful to duty and faithful to religion. In this way, may India be faithful to both duty and religion at all the times. मतलब कि हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारे रिलीजन है और उसके टुवार्ड्स हमारी कोई ना कोई एक ड्यूटी होती है उसको पूरा करने की. तो होप कि हम वो ड्यूटी जो है वो बहुत ही फेथफुल यानी कि बहुत ही ऑनेस्टी से उसको निभाएं. भक्ति साधकम मुक्ति साधकम, भक्ति मुक्ति साधकम भवतु भारतम, भारतम भारतम भवतु भारतम. Bhakti Sadhakam, that means achieving devotions, and Mukti Sadhakam, that means making efforts of salvations. India, my country, is one that achieves devotions of Lord and make efforts for salvations. My India became the achiever of both devotions and salvations. So here is a poem about this is a beautiful song about praising Mother India has been given us. The wish that India progress day by day has been expressed in this song. Due to melodious refrain, the song can be easily sung. आप इस सॉन्ग को संग भी कर सकते हो, सिंग भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है। और ये है ग्लोसरी वर्ड्स, तो वो आपको ग्लोसरी वर्ड्स हैं वो आपको आपकी बुक में लिखने हैं, ठीक है। थैंक यू।